Good morning, everyone. So today, Brojo Serpentina Herbal Coffee Mix with Stevia. So ni-try na ko ani yesterday and mo ni siya ang sud sa box. So yun ani siya, guys. Check the instructions. Here is the nutrition facts and the expiration date. So when I went to the market, and when I had my laparoscopic cholecystitis surgery, and then the doctor decided to remove my gallbladder last February 29 this year. And then after pila ka months, na-observe na ako, taas-taas gihapon akong result sa SGPT. So I tried this coffee. As we all know, traditionally, it will help us treat for inflammation. So especially sa kuang case, I had my surgery recently. Also, it will help treatment for upper respiratory tract infection, liver problems. So honest review, I would like to try if this will help me aside taking medications. Magkutaw ta, guys. And then let's see. Pabukal sa tagtubig. So, ito siya ikuan ang so tara, guys. Try na to. So siya kadaghan na mix. Humot siya, na ko yung aroma. Adult use only, not intended for children, pregnant, and lactating women. And it's very important to check the expiration date. Okay, let's see the taste. Tamis. Tamis kay siya, guys. Like, i-rate na to siya 1 to 10. Na siya sa 7 to 8 ang sugar. Tamis siya. Or if naapa may ipa, review. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe. Stay hydrated. Bye-bye.